Devastation in California's El Dorado County after a wildfire exploded in size. The blaze has destroyed much of Grizzly Flats, a town of about 1,200 people, reducing homes, an elementary school and a post office to cinders.
I physically saw my home, which is a pile of ash, which is on an acre of property and a 1,600 foot home. It's a pile of ash. Everybody on my block is a pile of ash.
Firefighters have been struggling to contain the flames, despite their best efforts as they work around the clock. With blazes a continuing problem, power to around 50,000 customers has been cut off in 18 Northern Californian counties. Thousands of people have also been evacuated. California's governor says the cause of the fires is clear.
It's usually 62 degrees, and you got a down jacket on, and we're experiencing all that coastal fog. Instead, it's 82 degrees, and we're cooling off here a little bit because other parts of the state are experiencing, again, these record-breaking triple-digit temperatures. I don't know what more evidence we need about the realities of climate change.
Blazes have been ravaging California and other US states since July. So far in 2021, fires have burned more than 1.6 million hectares of land across the US.